for wonderful halos.
Daddy, these halos are sweet and seedless and easy to peel. Here you go, Daddy.
Oh, thanks, Ryan. Did you know this wonderful halos are grown in California and they're such a healthy snack?
I have an idea. We can take a field trip to Halos to learn more.
Good choice, kids. I have exciting news. Halos invited us to fly out and visit their mandarin orchards to learn all about where halos come from.
Yay!
Let's go!
Let's go! Yay, let's go! Now we're gonna go to Halos and play.
Alright, let's go. Let's go inside.
Outside looks so cool. Alright, so we just landed.
First, we stopped by the Halos office.
Look, Ryan. And look at that stand. That's cool.
All right, Ryan, are you ready to see how halos are produced here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so excited.
All right.
So this is their conference room. Very cool. They give us a bag. Oh, so we opened it. Here's a fidget spinner.
The sunglasses.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna be outside, Ryan.
They even have a truck here with halos on them.
No!
They're not real. They're squishies.
No!
That is so cool. Squishy halos.
Then we went to the Halos orchards to hand pick our own halos.
Wow. So we're
Not grab the
here.
colored ones if you grab them, but you can pick whatever you want.
Ryan and Daddy are picking some halos.
All
All
right.
right, so we're gonna try to bring some fresh
No color
halos
ones
home.
over here.
Alright, I'm
That
gonna
one?
take this mandarin. Ooh.
Nice.
Nice, I like it.
I'm gonna get this one.
Goes
Smells
in. Smells good.
It's the freshest you can get.
Daddy, there's a lot over here.
Oh wow, this is a good one. There's
Oh,
so many.
You got it, Ryan?
so
I think
many.
Ryan found the good one.
Nice.
So many good ones.
Good job.
I got so many.
There you go.
Good
Yay,
job.
good job, Ryan. All right, so I'm gonna try to pick some halos too. Let's see. Ryan's picking some and I'm picking some too. Ooh, this
Did you
one
find
looks
any?
fresh. Yeah, this
Oh,
one
yeah,
looks
that one
good.
looks good.
Right? Yeah. Nice. Wow, Ryan's a pro.
Oh, look at it go.
Wow, so fast now.
Do you work here, Ryan?
Maybe.
Whoa, we made it. These are the one that they already picked, but it's pretty much the same. So I'm gonna put some in
Hey,
my bag
cheater.
too to bring home. All right, I think we have enough. High five, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wonderful halos are mandarins born and raised in California.
So after we picked them, we're gonna try them.
What do you think?
Good. Yeah.
Oh, it's good.
It's good.
What do you think?
It's very fresh and sweet. It's good.
Halos orchards are so big, they cover over 25,000 acres in California. Next, we visit the Halos plant. We wear safety vests and wash our hands.
Very important.
Halos are checked 5 different times for color, sweetness, and freshness before being shipped out. The plant sorts the fruit to pick the best halos. The plant also checks the fruit, color, and size for quality. On some days, Halo can fill about 80 to 100 delivery trucks per day. We also visit the Halos 80-foot building that looks exactly like Halos Mandarin package. That giant building can fit about 130 million halos inside. Wow, that was such a fun field trip.
Yeah, thanks Wonderful Halos for showing us around.
Yeah, and Wonderful Halos are America's #1 healthy snack brand among parents and kids. Thank you everybody for watching and joining us on our fun field trip adventure. For now, bye!
Bye!
Please click on one of these videos for Ryan Toy Review more fun.